Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy BNB directly, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase Binance Coin through the most straightforward methods available. Step 1. Visit the official Binance website or download the Binance app from your device's official app store. Create an account and complete the identity verification process. Step 2. Once logged in, click on Buy Crypto at the top of the page and select your preferred purchase method: credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Step 3. Select BNB from the cryptocurrency drop-down menu. Enter the amount you wish to purchase in your local currency or specify the amount of BNB you want. Step 4. Choose your payment method and follow the prompts to link your card or bank account. Binance partners with third-party processors for direct purchases. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate, processing fees, and total amount to be charged. Confirm that all information is correct. Step 6. Complete the payment process by authorizing the transaction through your payment provider. The process may include verification steps for security purposes. Step 7. Once the transaction is confirmed, your BNB will be credited to your Binance Spot wallet. You can view your holdings in the wallet section and use BNB for trading or other purposes on Binance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.